All right, here goes a toolbox tour for a equipment mechanic. Just added the side locker in the top box. Got my harness, rain jacket, chemicals and stuff, a couple safety things, 6-pack battery charger, pull cords, Milwaukee fan, the bags they give you when you buy tools, but you just put them in your box. A few different kits of stuff down here. Don't know what I'm going to do with that bottom drawer yet. A couple angle finders. Got my levels magneted to the bottom of the lid. Long jaw puller set. I'm going to go ahead and call this my specialty drawer. Electrical. Air tools. Pliers. Screwdriver tips and a clip tool I've never taken out of the package. Extra long Allen sockets. Screwdrivers. Map gas torch and another little torch. Sockets, torque wrench, extensions, a few extra ratchets. SAE wrenches and crow's feet. Really like those Ernst wrench organizers. Jumbo wrenches. Don't really use a lot of metric stuff around here, but maybe I'll find something else to put in this drawer. Hammers, bolt cutter, pipe wrenches, jump pack, coil hose for when I don't feel like hooking up to the big air hose when I'm using a die grinder or something. Grease gun, leaf blower, sawzall, grinder, hammer drill, Dremel tool, power drawer with the battery chargers in it, impacts and drills and stuff. Got my bandsaw right there. That was the top box to my Craftsman, but it's empty now. Hydraulic fittings, caps, plugs, pick set, files, seal install tool, chain wrench, punches, drill bits and scrapers, another hydraulic tool, common O-rings, C-clamp and seal driver, big tape measure, fishing tape, extra tap and die stuff, SDS hammer drill bits, duplicate tools, casters that came off the bottom of this box, roll around cart, screwdrivers, pry bars, extra long extension, common sockets, gloves, ratchets, breaker bar, common pliers, Allen wrench kits, flashlights, pocket knife, junk drawer, common wrenches, wrench extender, spud wrench, hammers, impacts, right angle ratchet, gloves and paper towels, penetrating oil, cup holder. Got a diaphragm pump in there to move fluids around, whatever kind of fluid you want. 1-inch impact, diesel, ATF, brake clean. That's about it. my little corner. Make it all happen.